selamat datang ke channel City Tracker. Hari ini aku buat temu ramah dan beliau inilah temu ramah saya. Mau bagi tahu nama? Nama dirahsiakan. Temu ramah ni aku buat untuk final project subjek oral communication. Di sini kami akan buat temu ramah sekitar 10 soalan tentang topik using social media for student learning. Kami semua ada 5 orang ahli kumpulan. Jadi next video barulah video full untuk semua skrip yang kami buat dengan semua responden yang kami temu ramah. Stay tuned. Ni pula borang untuk responden sebab kami perlu macam pengenalan orang tu kan. Jadi video ni pun kami akan post di YouTube. Jadi untuk minta kebenaran lah ni. Sama ada boleh kah tidak. Dia ada yes no aja tu.
Oh, boleh.
Yes no.
My name to be used, maksudnya?
I give my permission for this interview to be recorded. Are you yes or no?
Information public ni maksudnya kita punya nama apa semua kan? Okay, please lah semua. Let me to wait sometime.
Sangku.
Much time.
Tada, ready dah.
Until the answer. Okay, dah.
Bunyi ayam meriahnya.
Ayam lagi itu aku marah dengan
Tolonglah diam ayam. Kami sedang berurusan di sini.
buat macam tadi. Hai miau miau. Bini kamu tu cepatlah.
Okay. Macam okay sudah. Macam baru nampak center. Okay, ini sudah sign kan? Betul nih? Yes no. Yes, very yes.
Ini kan ini ada masalah apa kan?
Okay dah. Jadi boleh lah nih kan? Okay, kita praktis dulu. Yang segala-gala nih.
Kalau aku tengok telefon masuk ke interview.
Boleh kali ya? Baca WhatsApp.
Tengok apa namanya itu?
Telepon. Boleh lah kali ya. Okay.
Kita nanti hilang. Ya.
For. Okay, today is English Day, Miss.
English Day, but today is not Saturday. Today is not Tuesday.
Tuesday?
Yes.
Okay, I make my own rules now.
Okay, I just follow.
Friday is English Day. Introduction.
Aku tahan lah di sini, aku tahan.
Jangan angkat siku. Okay, introduction. Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine. Thank you for asking.
Do you have a minute to answer my interview?
I have. For you, I have.
Oh, thank you. I would like to interview you for our final project on oral communication subject. Our topic will be about student using social media for student learning. Before lalat.
Nanti kau malah behind the scene.
Before we start the interview, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Nur Hanifah. I study at University Malaysia Sabah. Ang imagine ya, perlu perhatian lagi. Okay, I continue. May I know your name?
My name is Nurhayati binti Abdullah.
Louder. She can hear it.
Who is she?
She.
Okay, my name is Nurhayati binti Abdullah, but you may call me Bibi.
Bibi?
No, Bibi.
Bibi.
Just Bibi.
Bibi. Okay, Miss. How old are you?
I'll turn 21 this year.
Oh, 21.
Yes.
Same as me.
Oh,
We
yes,
21.
Okay.
99, right?
Yes, absolutely.
What is your status?
I'm still single.
Single?
Yes.
Available or not?
I'm not available.
Not available. Sorry.
So,
Where is your current resident now?
Presiden tempat tinggal aku apa? Oh,
Tempat tinggal.
so I live here in the countryside.
Wow, countryside. At where? Maybe at
Uh,
around Sabah.
I live in Sabah, in Abangawan, Papar. Sabah.
Bongawan Papar.
Yes,
Oh,
in front of yours.
coincidence, like my hometown.
Your neighbor. Ini boleh.
Are you an university student or an employee?
I'm still a student of UMS.
Oh, coincidence.
Yeah.
Oh, what is your course subject?
I studied organizational and industrial psychology.
Nice, interesting.
How about you?
I study entrepreneurship at FPEP.
What is it?
FPEP, Fakulti Fakulti Perniagaan, FPE, Ekonomi dan Perakaunan, maybe lah.
Oh, nice.
Are you able to communicate well in English with general public?
I don't think I was too good in English, but I don't think I was too bad in English. If I can score myself, I just go with 5 or 6 like that.
5 or 6. Okay. Now let us move in the topics question. There is 10 question. The first one is what do you know about e-learning?
So, sorry. E-learning is a teaching and learning method without having a face-to-face class. You just need the help of electronic resources.
Okay. Second, which social media do you use often?
I often use WhatsApp and Facebook.
How well do you know how to use e-learning in your study?
I just learned to use Google Meet and Zoom during this break. I did 2 of them.
What is the advantage of social media?
So actually, social media helps us to keep in touch with our friends, family, and lectures, and it helps us to stay connected to the world outside.
Nice. On the other side, can you tell me the disadvantage of social media?
I think false news can spread so fast, and if we can control ourselves from it actually was often if we can control ourselves from scrolling our phone.
Yes.
It's true.
Yes.
Really.
Really. Do you think social media is easy to use for public?
I think it was really easy because we just need to think with this device and internet connection, so it is available for everyone.
Nice. Do you have any problem assessing e-learning? Could you tell me the problem?
I actually facing not a major problem actually. It's just some internet connection problem as we live in the countryside. So basically, I just go outside my home to find a better connection.
Nice. Well done.
Thank you.
Who's responsible to monitor social media movement? The fact.
It is algorithm-based tool.
Algorithm-based tool. Should student add their teacher or lecturer on social media?
I have to answer for this question. The first one is should, the second is shouldn't. Should if the student wants to strengthen the bond between them and the teacher. Shouldn't if the student wants to keep the post in private.
Private. Everyone has private site, right?
I don't have.
You don't have?
I edit everyone.
Oh, you like open book?
Actually.
The next question, in your opinion, do you think e-learning is more effective than ordinary classroom?
I don't think e-learning is more effective. I prefer to ordinary class because if you have any question, you just need to ask the lecturers directly without waiting them for replying or WhatsApp, which is waste of time.
WhatsApp time.
Yes.
Okay, that's all from me. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Siap.
Bye.
Bye. Meja kami memang jenis.
I'm sorry. There's trouble with the table. You disturb all the time.
Which social media do you use often?
I often use WhatsApp and Facebook.
Oh, WhatsApp and Facebook.
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm fine. Thank you for asking. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you. Do you have a minute to answer my interview?
Of course.
Of course.
Yeah.
Okay. I would like to interview you for our final project on oral communication subject. Our topic is about using social media for student learning. Before we start the interview, yang ni kan aku pun dah tahu macam mana dia tumbuh di tepi dinding, tapi dia tumbuh dengan subur. Pokok ni buah dia gitu. Bunga dia pula yang macam purple macam ni buah dia yang belum masak. Lama hujan pula sini ni, hujan. Kebun my mom, kebun bunga. Tekalah bunga apa ni? Ini warna pink dengan bunga lina. Semua di dalam satu kebun dengan cili pun belum ada yang masak lagi. Yang ni pula cili warna putih. Jadi this is a test experiment. Tapi dia akan meletup kalau warna dia coklat macam ni, maknanya dia sudah tua lah, dia sudah matang. Ada. Ni kalau taruh banyak-banyak lagi memang lebih meriah. Semua meletup. Tapi semua meletup dalam masa yang sama. Macam popcorn. Begitu jugalah hidup. Hidup kita ni macam popcorn. Tidak semua meletup pada waktu yang sama. Masing-masing ada waktu untuk dia menyerlah, untuk dia shine. Masa yang berbeza. Ini ada lagi yang belum meletup. Itu je lah behind the scene.